In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get voice chat in Roblox. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to settings. Once you're there in the settings option, you'll have to set up your birthday. So the first step to get voice chat is that you have to verify your age. So you'll have to make sure that you have set it up your age right, because they're gonna verify it by taking your ID card or passport or whatever other way is there, and then they're gonna verify that you have entered the right age. So be sure to enter the right age. Then click on verify my age. Okay, then you'll be taken to a pop-up right here, and as it says that you'll have to go and scan this in your camera app, and then you'll have to be ready with your ID card and anything to take pictures and show proof. But in my case, I've done this on some other account, so I'm gonna proceed to the other account and show you what happens next. So I'm just gonna log out from this account and then sign in with my other account. So here, log in. Okay, verify. Alright, so now I'm on my account which has voice chat. So now as you guys can see, once you follow those steps, you're gonna be verified as it is saying age verified. Then you can head over to security, and then you'll be taken up to an app here, and then if you go here in privacy, you'll be seeing this option where it says beta feature enable voice chat. So then you can just turn on this option, and then whenever you join the game, this function will be available for you. But remember, you need to be at least 13 years old to use this function of voice chat, so otherwise you can't use it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to use it in game. So let me join a game real quick. So let me say let me join this game. Please donate. I'm going to join the game and show you how it looks like. Alright, so the game is loaded. Alright, so as you guys can see, this option of voice chat is showing above my head, and now you can just click on this option, and then you're free to use the voice chat option. So but in this game you'll have to go to a voice chat only server, so I'm just gonna join that. Let me turn the volume up. Alright, so now if you click on this option of the mic, and as you guys can see, these green bars are showing up, which means our mic is working properly, and now you can just go and talk to any person and then he'll be able to hear you. So that's how you get voice chat in Roblox. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.